Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really fun Easter card to show you. This is my Easter Pals Slimline card. Isn't that cute? With those little friends all dressed up, ready to go to their Easter party or Easter play. It comes with an included envelope, and I can't wait to show it to you. Now before we get started, if you haven't yet, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG cut file. Okay, so here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form on that page and then be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to head to Enter the Library. You're going to type in the password and click Enter, and then you're brought to the free files. So for this card, you're going to want to look for Easter Pals Slimline card. That's number 117 in my file library. You're going to click that hyperlink and download the file to your computer. Go ahead and unzip the file, and then we can go ahead and open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Okay, now that we have a new project in Cricut Design Space open, we're going to head to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, and click Open, and then Upload. You're going to head over and highlight the image, and then click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Okay, now that the file has been brought into Cricut Design Space, we can head up to Ungroup, and then scroll down the Layers panel, and you're going to want to find the envelope. You're going to click on this rectangle right here. That is the score line. So we're going to come up to Operation and change that to Score. Highlight that group, and then click Attach. We're going to need to do the same thing for the card base. Highlight the score line, change it to Score under the Operation menu, highlight the group, and click Attach. And then the last thing that we need to change in Design Space is we need to convert the text for the front of the card. So we need to find that layer, highlight the text, come up to Operation and change that to Pen. Right here is where you can change the pen color. I'm going to use purple for this card. So scroll down the list and change that to purple. Now you can highlight the group and click Attach. And then go ahead and click Make It. You'll see the different mats for this card. Go ahead and click Continue. I'm going to be using medium cardstock for this project, but you can go ahead and make your material selections here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get everything all cut out, and I will see when it's all done. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that we have everything all cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that we need to do is layer all of our different mats and layers. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so you can see up here that I have layered the messaging panel together, and then I've started on the front cover panel. I added the sky layer and then the grass layer to the mat. And now it's time to go ahead and layer our little characters. I know this looks like a lot, but it really is not that hard once you get going. So you're going to layer them from left to right. All of this right here is the bunny. Right here in the middle is the chick, and right here on the bottom is the little egg. So you're just going to start with the left as your base, and then layer each layer next to it on top of it. So if you want to go ahead and take a screenshot of this or pause it right now and go ahead and make these out, I'm going to go ahead and layer everything together, and I will show you them when they are all done. Okay, so I have them all done. Here is our little bunny, super cute. Our little egg with his little red hair. Now we can go ahead and layer them onto our front cover panel here. You can layer them however you want. I'm just going to kind of place them to see how I like them. Okay, that looks good to me, so I'm going to go ahead and get them all stuck down. Okay, there we go. I think that's so cute. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my little decorative eggs. And then I'm going to figure out where I want my clouds. I think right about there and right there. Go ahead and get those stuck down. And there is our panel. Okay, so now we can go ahead and fold along the score line of our outer card. Go ahead and burnish the fold. Let's first do the inside, or the messaging panel. Go ahead and attach that. And now do the same thing for the front of the card. And there we go. How cute is that? Messaging panel on the inside. Super cute. Let's set that to the side so that it can dry. And now let's go ahead and focus on the envelope. So you're going to go ahead and fold along the score lines and burnish the folds with your scraper. Take your inlay panel, run a bead of glue along the outside edge. And then attach it to the envelope. Now, before we close up the envelope, this is a little bit of a thicker card because the little characters are all layered cardstock, and depending on what weight cardstock you use, it could be a little bit thicker. So go ahead and place the card in the envelope, then bring in the side flaps. Okay. Add your glue along the side flaps. And then carefully bring the bottom flap up. And you do want to give it just a little bit of room. Keep that pressed for just a second. There, and now you're left with a nice little pocket there, so you know that there's enough room for your card. There we go. So cute. How adorable is this card? I love it so much. Those little characters are so stinking cute. Now, I mentioned before that it can be a little bit of a thicker card because of the different layers for those little characters. Also, you're going to want to make sure that you do adhere the cardstock really well with the brayer and use your weeding tool, especially like the Easter Bunny, his little whiskers. Sometimes they don't really release that easily, so the weeding tool is also going to be your friend, okay? I love the use of the different pattern paper as well. It's just overall such a cute card, and I hope that you do make it. If you do make it, make sure to post some of your pictures in our Facebook group. We have tons of supportive friends who really love to help each other out and inspire each other, and it's just a great community to be with. There is a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm also known as the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you all at the next card making video. I hope that you like this one, and I will see you later. Bye.